Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compete Lightstream versus SoFi. So let's start with the differences. So the main difference between them is the availability of pre-qualification. Lightstream doesn't offer pre-qualification option before taking a loan. It only displays examples of rates based on the loan amount and on purpose. On the other hand, SoFi offers pre-qualification to discover the interest rates you qualify for without affecting your credit score. Therefore, SoFi offers clients more freedom to assess their most suitable loan option without a commitment credit history. Lightstream requires several years of credit and good payment history with various account types like vehicle and installment loans, major credit cards, and mortgage debt. It also requires evidence of assets. On the other hand, SoFi is not very strict about your credit history. It only requires employment or evidence of sufficient income from the borrower. Therefore, SoFi is more attainable because it has fewer financial requirements restrictions on loan use. Lightstream has fewer options for loan use and strict guidelines. You can use the loan for debt consolidation and auto refinancing, but not student or business loans. On the other hand, SoFi offers a wide range of options for your loan use, including student loan. Therefore, SoFi is more flexible and can meet more client needs. But do they have any similarities? Yes. Both Lightstream and SoFi require good to excellent credit scores to qualify for a loan. They offer similar loan range, low interest rates, and auto pay discounts. They also don't charge originating or late fees. To sum up, which is better, Lightstream or SoFi? What I like most about Lightstream is it offers a rate beat program and a higher autopay discount rate. On the other hand, I like that SoFi offers an employment protection if you lose your job. Even though I like both options, SoFi is the overall winner because it offers pre-qualification, more loan use options, and career and financial coaching. Feel free to check out both. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.